Hi, and welcome to the Girlfriends Lounge. My name is Marcy. I'd like to welcome you to my channel. And today I will be doing an unboxing for the Your Creative Studio subscription box. The number, let's open. Each box, you have a little thank you note that has a theme on it. And then I will take everything out. I'll show you everything that's included in. I'll unpackage and then I'll display everything. So just an overview. There are 2 cling stamps and some masking tape, which is washi tape. There are, let's see, 2 paper collections. This is usually a box of either labels or stamps. You have some ticket stub. There's typically a sheet of transparent stickers in here, as well as sometimes there's a fabric one that's also included, or a textured one. And here is the paper pack. Again, I will unbox or I'll unpackage everything and give you a closer look. And then there are some more paper options. This feels like cardstock, so maybe not a die cut, but a journal card maybe. And then here's another paper set. So let me get everything unpackaged and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is everything unpackaged. These are the clear stamps. Let's see if I can get the glare away. So that is one, and this is the other. So it looks like these were not put on exactly straight, but so there's that. Here, I'll save those for last actually, or not last, but after we get done. And then there are, here's a fan of ticket stubs. So you get a nice collection. They feel like stickers. I will double check. So a nice variety. Those are all upside down, of course. So let's see. And they are stickers. So that's nice. It looks like there is 2 of each pattern. Let's see, this is not coming off of that easily. And here's the next. Hopefully I'm in frame and you can see all of those. Let's go up a little higher maybe. Okay. I'm afraid those are going to tear. Just double check. Yeah, there is still 2 of each. Okay. Let's make sure I'm getting all. And that is the back. So that's a nice little set. Okay. let's go through, I'll go through these. And this is a heavy cardstock. You have the 2 of each. Oops. Very nice for journal cards. Oh, that's very pretty. That's very pretty too. Okay, so let me clear these off and then I'll open this up and lay them out so you can see them all together. Okay, so here are all of them. You get 3 of each sticker. They are stickers. I tested it out. Where did it go? So they are stickers. See if I can move this slowly. But those are all of the options. It's a nice size, a nice assortment, and they are a nice size sticker. Okay, let me get the paper and I'll be right back. Okay, here is the next set of, I'm not sure if it's papers or stickers. It doesn't indicate on here. Here are all of the options. And I'll lay them out and I'll be right back. There are 3 sets of each, and this is what you get in that. All right, and then there is a little cutout, like almost a doily image. Let's open this up. These are the patterns. So I'll open it up and I'll be right back. Okay, here is the set. So most of them you get 2 of each. This one has 3 of each. Or not 3 of each. There's 3 pieces in this one. So let me give you an overview. And then the paper. You get 2 styles of each. These are nice size papers. And then this is the backing. So here is a closer look of each of the styles that you receive. Again, always a nice assortment of papers and ephemera pieces. This is another one that's a typical staple of your Creative Studios package. You get 6 stickers, sticker paper, 6 vellum, 6 art paper, and 6 pattern. They are all the same theme. Not the same theme, I'm sorry. They are all the same pattern in the various textures. So you'll see a repeat in each of the paper types. And then this is the copy-weight paper, lightweight copy-weight paper. And then the vellum. And then here is the washi tape. I feel like you always get a nice amount of washi tape. Okay, so thank you very much for visiting my channel. I appreciate the time you spend with me, and I hope you found this box helpful in seeing what you would get if you were to order it. And I'll link your Creative Studio down below, and have a magnificent day. Thank you. Bye-bye.